Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's adventure, we're going to draw Bingo from Bluey. So, grab your pen, piece of paper, and let's go. Alright, first let's begin with his eye. We're going to do a nice big oval. Boom, good. And another oval on the inside. And we'll color that black in just a second. Let's go with his nose. We're going to come down at an angle. And stop. And then we're going to do a triangle with rounded corners. Come here, rounded, rounded, rounded. We'll color that in a second. Give it a nice little glisten. And there's the nose. Awesome. Then we're going to come here from the edge. Come down. In. A little bit up. Do a little letter C. And down. Okay, looks like almost like he's like, ah! Screaming, but he's not, I promise. Let's get his other eye, which is another oval. We're just going to start here, just a little ways from the other one. Come around. Connect. Do another oval. And then let's just finish off his mouth real quick. So we're going to come here, around, and connect up to the eye. There we go. Let's add some kind of fun teeth. We're just going to do almost like little clouds, like a little circle, little circle, little circle, little circle. Awesome. Let's add a tongue. And then we'll just kind of curl this back in. And we'll color that part black and this part red and all that fun stuff. Alright, let's get the rest of his body. So, we're going to do the top of his head. And this part's really crazy because it's just a little boop, and we're done. Because then we're going to have some eyebrows to do. Where we're going to curl and then go round. Curl, go round, connect. And on this side, we're actually going to keep coming just a little bit further. And then come up with this line and stop. Curl, around, curl, and up. Awesome. Then we're going to come through, stop, right there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come around and have a very faint line on the outside of his nose. So we're going to keep curling, then almost come down to a straight line. And then round a corner, straight line, round a corner, up, stop, up here, rounded, and connect. Sweet. And the reason why we stopped here was because we actually are going to put an arm right here. Perfect. Little curl in. I'm going to go through and do a little bump. 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 One more. Bump. And there we go. There's his hand. Let's get his ears. We're going to start here right at the round part. Come up and around. Stop. And come straight down. Connect it down here as well. And don't forget to add a little inner triangle as well. Awesome. Okay, similarly on this side, we're actually going to come straight up on this side. Curl. Come down to almost connect it right back to this line. And don't forget that inner triangle. There we go. Awesome. Looking good. Let's get his other arm. Little circle. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and connect. Awesome. Now we're just missing legs, feet, tail, and then we'll be done. We'll add a few details. Okay, so we're gonna come straight down, curve up, down, curl around, curl up and over. And then we're just gonna add a little pause. Looking good. Same thing on this side. Down, down, curl around, up, add a little paw. Now let's add a tail. We're gonna curve. One in, and a little bit longer. And another little cloud. Another little cloud. And follow it back in. Boom! Looking good. And then we're just gonna add a few lines. Few little details, I'd say. Nice little curve. Connect. And then he's got this part up here as well. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some detail, color him in, and bam! There we go. Look at how good that turned out. There's Bingo from Bluey. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.